How's it going, everyone? I'm Anthony Kurceba with Kurceba Brothers General Contracting, and today what we're doing is some stone veneer siding by the brand Silvermine. And if you don't feel like paying, a mason to do your stone, I think this is a very good alternative. As you see here, it's got step flashing, which you don't normally see with any type of siding. And so what it has is step flashing, and unlike any other stone veneer siding, this is very special because all the other brands is like, there's a YouTube video you can actually see where they have a wall up of this stone and they shoot a hose at it, and what happens is water gets through it and goes down behind it, and in the winter time what it will happen will freeze and then expand and contract, and will crack stone, damage behind here. Even though you have the Tyvek, it can still damage any wood you got back there. Then that brings in all kinds of bugs, mold, critters, whatever. So I did a lot of research, and I found out that this is probably your best bet when it comes to your stone veneer siding. So basically what I'll set a clip over here for another video for the rest of the stuff, but so basically right here I'm trying to figure out what I want to do here, because we got such a little small spot. I think what I'm going to do here is I'm going to cut this down here and then put a little small piece, because our next stone is going to come up. It's going to be 22 inches here, and each panel is 24 inches, so I'm going to cut like 2 inches off, and it'll come snug right up here. I was going to do like a big piece of flashing here, but I just don't think it's going to look as great. So what I'm going to do, and what you guys can watch, is I'm going to cut this. What I'm going to use is a continuous diamond grinder blade, 4-inch, on a RIDGID grinder. Yeah, this is a 4-inch blade, so I'm not going to be able to get completely through. So either I'm going to use my circular saw with the diamond grinder blade, or I'm going to take a chisel and just, it's concrete. I'm pretty close through there, so I'm pretty sure. And the reason I'm not taking this off, like I said, I'm using adhesive on the back, so it's probably stuck on there pretty good. And as you can see, it's screwed in and locked to my next piece. So we'll see what happens. a regular hammer, but this is what I got right here. I don't feel like going in the truck, making it loose. Voila! So, as you see, I didn't get completely through, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to shave that up. Oh, and you always want to go on where it had, like where, you can't really see it now, but where there's like a break in the stone. Let's see. You can see like right there, that's where I was cutting, so that when you butt your neck piece up, it looks natural.